All aviation shows during this year, which I visited, I should say most of them devoted to the new technologies. And the new technologies in aviation now are different types of drones and some what they call eVTOLs, which is kind of hybrid of drones and helicopters. So the new models normally 30, 40, 50% more efficient, cheaper in use, and normally models would be cheaper in production, and I mean the pricing would be 30, 40% cheaper than the regular helicopters. So each and every show having newcomers, startups, some of them just having only models, some of them have ready-made projects. It's very difficult to tell which particular model or which particular generation of the equipment would be widely used later on. But each producer report that they already got quite a number of orders, started to accept payments, making pre-orders, orders, and they declare 2024-2025 as the years that it would be a common use. As you probably heard, for Paris Olympic Games, some flying taxis would be already used for Olympic Games transportation. So let's see, and here at Farnborough Airshow we also got quite a number of such models, so we will try to show some of them to you. So follow our channel, follow our podcasts, and we will tell you more about new development, new tendencies, and about this new segment of the market. Jet.Paris, France from Nice.